We're Jack and Megan, and after 2 years of exploring mainland Australia, we have finally shipped ourselves and our tiny home on wheels over to Tasmania. We've spent the past couple of weeks climbing mountains, eating amazing food, and falling in love with the Tasmanian landscape. Today, as we tick off some more incredible bucket list experiences, we wanted to bring you along for a raw day in the life of full-time travel.
We don't even have to go to the end now. We've seen the best thing ever.
Nobody wants to know about your armpits, Megan.
Oh, it's van life, baby.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We do not want to get out of bed this morning. The electric blanket.
I know, we need to get rid of it.
We need to get rid of it.
Because it's such a nice day outside and we still can't get up.
We've woken up in the Tasman National Park here, famous for the 3 capes, if you don't know.
Mm-hmm. Which we're not doing. I tried to book it 2 months ago and it was fully booked.
Fully booked.
And so I was like, okay, well that's fine. And then, just to make things worse, I checked out of curiosity 2 days ago and people had cancelled, so we could have done it, but we had no gear.
We're not organised at all. On. I've woken up with a severe case of hay fever. I don't know what is going on, but we got to work up the courage, get out of bed, because we have got a huge hike to do today. Well, is it big?
Well, I mean, 15 kilometres.
15, for us it's pretty big. But it looks incredible, so let's get up and have a huge brekkie, eh?
Jack always says, let's get up, and then he just stays there for another 20 minutes.
Getting up now.
What do you want for breakfast?
You know how long I haven't done a push-up for?
I thought you were going to say a poo then.
I haven't done push-ups for like ages.
Maybe you should do some.
It's just so comfy up here. Oh man.
Okay, anyway, breakfast.
What are we having?
Well, we still have some, I don't know how good it is, but we still have bread from the Bruny Island baker, so I'm thinking some...
French toast.
Yeah.
Megan insisted on pulling the tent down for some reason.
Because, like you, I haven't been doing my push-ups, so
actually,
this is the only
that's good effort.
time I get to use some strength.
It's this bit here that always catches you out. This bit here sticks out.
Yeah, especially when we've got this close, because then I can't, my arms aren't long enough to reach over.
Tiny. Let's see.
Is it in?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we're at a campsite called Mill Creek. It's right near Fortescue Bay. Go check it out on Google and see all the photos.
It's getting really blue now that the sun's out, hey?
I think it beats Esperance and Rottnest Waters.
Why is everything a competition with you? You've got to rank everything.
Well, it does. The water is so clear. Right, so the reason we're here at this campsite is because yesterday we were going to do a walk called Cape... Megan, what is it? We've been butchering the names.
Well, we just come up with little nicknames because we can't pronounce them, so we've been calling this one Cape Hua.
Cape Hua.
And then we've been calling the one that we're going to today Cape Rare.
Yeah, so
it's actually Raoul, I'm pretty sure is how you pronounce it. But I have no idea how to pronounce that one.
Yeah.
But we were keen to do this one because it was part of the 3 Capes track, and I think the only part of it you can actually drive to, and then it's only like 11 kilometres or something, so...
Only?
Well, you said only the other day. You were like, mate, I've climbed a mountain now. I can do any of this. But...
So we're going to do that. It's a 3-hour return, but we ended up working instead because we got a lot of work. So we're going to do a 15-kilometre one today. Now, that's a jumbo for us.
Is it? No, that's nothing.
For me, it's pretty big. But we're going to do that, and it's called Cape... Raoul.
Not like we've been calling it.
We're so sorry, guys. Alright. Megan's left her hat buried somewhere in here. Where is it?
Oh, no, it's actually in the worst possible spot.
Hey?
It's in the worst possible spot because it's not just under here, it's like in the cupboard under here.
Oh no. It's in the laundry area.
Yeah, in the laundry.
Classic. We're both already hungry, so we're gonna eat a banana each. Oh, do we have bananas? Oh yeah, we got 2 left. We're gonna make 4 muesli bars and we're gonna eat 2 bananas now. I think that'll be plenty for 15 kilometers. Do you reckon?
I think so.
She can't find her hat.
This is gonna take all my energy up now. I'm just trying to find a hat.
Classic. It's a bit windy, but the car park's full, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good walk.
We just realised that we might have had the camera on a weird setting all day today, so apologies if the cameras looked a bit funny.
Here you go, Grumps.
I'm not that grumpy.
I'm a bit hangry.
You can't talk, mate.
I'm hangry as well.
We took a wrong turn on the way here. Well, we can blame Google, actually. Google took us the wrong way.
We took like a 20-minute detour.
And Jack was like, "Aah!" And I was like, we should be filming this for the vlog. He's like, I'm not in the mood right now.
But anyway, great start to the walk. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Mwah. I mean, you know the drill.
I do. I have a lot more faith this time, though.
Hey?
Oh, there's no book in there.
Oh, you kidding?
If we die, we die.
What are you doing, Megan?
Last layer. It's actually a proper warm day today.
We've stopped like 4 times for this little one.
Yeah, but this is my last layer, so this will be the last time I stop, unless I have to stop again to put it back on, which is a possibility.
And would you like to swap bags?
Yes, please.
What's wrong with your bag?
It's too heavy.
Classic. Alright, here you go. Anyone who's watching the channel for a long time would probably know that I never wear glasses. Finally found my glasses. They're bloody broken.
I don't think anyone would pick up on that, because even I wouldn't pick up on
No,
that.
you'll pick up on this when I put them on. Look how different I look.
Oh, sexy.
Oh yeah.
Who's that man?
These were behind the ingle and they've probably been there for so long, hey?
Yeah.
We finally found them. But I don't think
I just realised I haven't shaved my armpits for a while, so remind me not to put my arms up.
Nobody wants to know about your armpits, Megan.
Oh, it's van life, baby. Oh, I just remembered we were going to play the game.
What game?
The one, so if you don't follow Plenty of Dust on Instagram, first of all, go follow them. They're the best.
They're classic.
And secondly, they said on their stories that whenever they go for a walk like this, they play a game where you have to try and find the most interesting thing on the walk. And whoever finds the most interesting thing wins.
What do we win?
Well, you just, glory, I guess.
Alright, let's start looking for something interesting.
Oh, I've seen lots of flowers.
I've seen a lot of trees.
That's about it.
Alright, we're about to see the first view of the, oh my gosh.
Whoa.
First view of the hike. We're 2.3 kilometers in and have a look. That's some Jurassic Park stuff.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Look how high up we are.
Oh, it's scary with the wind, hey.
Sorry guys, the weather has completely changed again. Don't even know why we're surprised.
Yeah, welcome to Tasmania.
Welcome to Tassie. Alright, let's go, eh? We're only 2 kilometers in.
I think this is my first entry to the interesting thing. Little spiky ball plant.
What, does it hurt?
I don't know, but it's spiky and I've never seen it before. So it's interesting.
I don't think that's interesting. I think my cliff.
I haven't seen you do any better.
My cliff.
That doesn't count, that's cheating.
There is some crazy clouds coming and I'm pretty sure it's going to rain, so we've got to
We
hurry
might
up.
need to turn around actually.
We might need to turn around because I heard some people talking to each other and they said they have never seen such bad weather coming, and then I looked over the cliff and there's like clouds of rain coming, so we got to hurry up.
Well,
I don't want to go back.
Continuing on then?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
We have just spent the last 20 minutes going downhill, so I'm not looking forward to coming back up here on the way back.
We just passed about 20 people, all in their 60s for sure, older, and just complaining about the hill. They're
struggling.
Just like, and I'm just like, you're almost there. You're
They're not almost there.
To give you an idea of how far we've just walked down, that's where the lookout was, right there. Crazy, eh? I'm dreading coming back up there.
Yeah, that was hard on the old knees going down.
It means we're going to sleep well. Oh, what's this? We've got a lookout. Let's have a look. Whoa, Megan. Ready for the wind, here it comes. Woohoo! Look at that. That is nuts.
don't want to scare him off.
Oh, we found it again. Megan's dream come true. They're such an odd animal.
They're so cute.
I can see his little nose, Megan. I know what you're going to say.
We don't even have to go to the end now. We've seen the best thing ever.
Most interesting thing.
Oh, yes, and I spotted it.
Yeah.
I win.
Nah. I bet you mine's going to be more interesting. I'll tell you at the end when we get back to the car what it is.
You can't say cliffs.
No, you'll never guess what it is. Only, yeah, you won't guess it. It's a good one.
Wow. We're not even at the end yet, and have a look at that.
I think that's what it's famous for there, eh?
Yeah.
And there's just a lake in the middle of nowhere. Guys, it just keeps getting better and better. Your head looks so funny there.
I was gonna try and come give you a hug.
Oh my gosh.
Some pretty good snack spots over the last few weeks, but
this is
surely this is up there.
The summit the other day was pretty good, but far out. Look at that. Look how big the drop is. My face looks so funny on camera right now. But what an experience. We're not even there yet. There's still more of the walk to go.
Oh, okay.
We've got heaps more to go.
But can we stop here and have a snack then?
Yeah, snack time. Alright, next stop, guys, is holy moly.
Wow.
Seal lookout.
We were actually just debating if this was going to be worth coming to another lookout because legs are getting a bit tired, but I think this is definitely worth it.
How does that happen naturally? That is crazy. That must be millions of years in the works right there. Oh, seals. Any seals? Oh, there's like 100 down there. There's like 100.
Counted them pretty quick, didn't you?
Counted all of them. Megan definitely can't see down there.
I can't see
You
anything.
definitely won't see that. They're like blubbers on the rock.
Oh no, I can't see.
We'll get a zoom lens on, eh?
Alright. Now whose eyesight is bad?
Mate, I swear I saw 100 seals down there. Not 100.
Are you sure they weren't just rocks and now that you've got the zoom lens on you realise you were wrong?
I'm telling ya, there was seals down there. What was I looking at?
Rocks.
Weird, eh? I'm wrong. There was no seals.
Say that again.
No, but I swear on my life there was seals down there. She just wants to
Are we
prove me
just
wrong.
gonna stay here for like an hour until you see a seal
Pretty
to prove
much,
yourself right?
Nah. That's weird as.
I'm ready to hike back up now.
Anyway, yeah, let's go. Damn, I really wanted to see seals. Maybe just 5 more minutes.
Okay, we are off and I'm trying to just summon every little bit of positivity to get me hyped, get me into this walk because I'm feeling quite tired. And also we're looking at where we just come from and it's quite intimidating.
That is massive.
All the way up there we go, what?
Have a look at the view over there, Megan.
Wow.
The sun's popped out, it's incredible. Oh yes. Well, I think Mount Murchison was harder.
Really?
Yeah, if you haven't watched that video, guys, go watch it because that was epic.
Yeah, I think my legs are a bit more tired now than they were for that hike, but at the same time, I felt like I was going to die a few times on that hike, which I don't think I'm going to have that issue this time.
Classic.
But yeah, I think we're going to put some music on, keep the vibes high.
Bit of Post Malone.
We'll see you guys at the car. Okay, that was even harder than I expected. And I was expecting it to be pretty hard, but my legs were literally giving way and they're like jelly.
We did 16.5 kilometers.
Pretty good effort.
Yeah.
I'm
okay.
actually like fading already. I like
Megan's
can't
done.
bring any energy. I'm sorry guys.
I got the energy, I got it all. Calm down, Jack.
Yeah,
We spotted Megan's echidna again, her interesting thing, but Megan also spotted my interesting thing and tried to claim it. It was the giant bumblebee.
yeah, and they're fairy.
Yeah, fairy giant bumblebee. We have never seen them on a whole entire trip of Australia, so they must be native to Tasmania.
But who wins?
Yeah,
Who's
leave a
more
comment
interesting?
down below whose is more interesting.
Echidna or bumblebee?
I think they're as good as each other. But anyway, I'm starving.
I'm so hungry.
We're going back to camp.
Okay, we've made it to camp. We just ended up coming back to the same campground we were in this morning, just a different spot, but we're by a little flowing river over there, so it's quite nice.
It's good to fall asleep to running water. Seems good.
Except for when you need to wee.
For some reason, I've got so much energy.
I am so dead.
I'm like jumping. I
I'm
don't know
so
why.
glad that you have the energy to make dinner. Although if it was up to me, I just would have had like beans or a cup of soup, but
So we're making,
Jack has to get fancy with it.
we're making, oh my god, I almost choked on,
Yeah, I heard that. You were like...
almost choked on some carrot there. Anyway, we're making stir fry. Carrots, spring onions. Forgot what that stuff's called.
pak choy
Pak choy, eggs,
or bok choy.
poached chicken breast, cabbage, honey, ginger, and this new one, onion, garlic and chilli. How
Nice.
good's that? And we just mix it all together and I think it's going to taste good regardless. Anything can taste good.
I know, I'm so hungry.
Classic. Alright, let's get it cooked. Look at that, Megan. It's come up good.
Amazing.
Look at those beautiful eggs.
My hero.
And we got our sushi rice as well. There you go.
Oh my gosh, this is actually, it smells so good.
Oh, it's going to be so
It's the
good.
best thing ever.
Alright, have you got enough, Megan?
Yeah, I think I've definitely got enough.
Far out, I've got heaps. This smells amazing. We don't have reception tonight, guys, so we knew we wouldn't have reception tonight, so...
And we knew we couldn't be bothered doing any work and we would
Yeah.
want to watch Netflix, so.
Yeah, so we downloaded about 6 or 7 different things on the way here.
On the iPhone app.
On the iPhone app. You can only do it on iPhones or iPads. You can't do it on MacBooks or anything like that. And that's what we're going to do tonight. What have we got? The Addams Family.
Yeah, the new Wednesday thing, and then I also found something about a guy who travels the world eating a bunch of different food.
Maybe we should
So,
watch that.
Yeah, I feel like watching that maybe.
All right, we've absolutely carked it. Hey,
Yeah.
we're done. You coming up or what?
Yeah, I need to put on a pimple patch.
For anybody that also has misses, leave a comment down below and let me know if they take forever to come to bed. Do they have a?
I don't think you want to get into this argument, Jack, because Jack literally says that all skincare is a waste of time. So
No, I don't believe.
ladies, you have my back here. I know there's only 30% of you, according to our analytics.
I know I'm going to get destroyed in the comments, but Megan has this routine where she cleans her face and she moisturizes, and she hates when I talk about it.
You know how many ladies have like a 20 skincare step routine? I got a cleanse, a moisturize, I put on some eye cream, and tonight I'm putting on a pimple patch.
Ooh.
It's like nothing compared to most people.
I just put a bit of eye cream on. But anyway, what are we talking about?
I'm just having a domestic.
Anyway, we've had
Okay,
one.
patches on.
Right, we've had one hell of an adventure today, guys. We are obviously going to be ending the vlog here.
Unless you guys want to watch us sleep.
Unless you just want to watch a 24-hour
Live stream.
time lapse of us sleeping. Be quite interesting, actually.
Someone's a bit grumpy.
Grumpy.
Just a few more push-ups.
You're not even doing them
Get
right.
that camera off me.
Throne.
Have a seat, my queen.
Okay, go tell me how the cape is.
Hey.
Go tell me how the rest of the walk is.
All right, see ya.
Do you walk all the way up there?
Yeah.
Wicked.
How much confidence did I just say yes with? I was like, yep, I don't have a clue. All right, we got a little bit more to go.
My banana's all bruised.
What's wrong with it?
It's all bruised. Do you want it?
Nah.
Okay.
I'll put it back in your bag.
Yes, please.
All right, so apparently there is, I'll put it in a sec. There's some seals.
Can't
So-
do more than one
can't
thing
do
at a time.
more than 2 things at once. Spewing? Nah, they were down there. Playing games on us, wildlife. Where did they go? There's no way. Mate, I got good eyesight. Those seals were there.
I've got an app that records our sleep talking, and last night it caught me going, "Ah."